shredded or flake chicken pastel in aluminum foil with salad, cucumber, tomatoes, and mint leaves. And then you can eat also in plate with salad, slices of cucumbers, tomatoes, and mint leaves or pudina. I'll get some lemongrass, stalk of lemongrass. Dry na yung iba kasi last winter, nag-dry ito lahat. So pag spring, summer, ayan may green na. So kukuha tayo, gunting tayo ng mga 5 o 6 na stalk ng lemongrass. Yan, marami na ito. Dagdagan ko. Ayan. Okay na ito. Tama na ito. I have 2 pieces of chicken breast. I removed from chicken curry because I cooked today chicken curry. So I boiled this one. And I add slices of ginger and lemongrass. And if you have this laurel, bay leaf, you can put also, but I don't have available. So this is my substitute, lemongrass. And then this cinnamon wood, and this is lamb, yung long one, yung parang paminta, and some black pepper. Now I will add also salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then some water to boil. So this is enough water. You can use also casserole or caldero, but I prefer to use a pressure cooker because it's easy to cook, just only 3 minutes. If you use this casserole, then it spend too much gas or gasol. So much better I will use this pressure cooker. Now I have to cover it and I will boil this one in 3 minutes. Already boiled chicken breast, tanggalin ko itong chicken and then palamigin ko at aking i-flake. Yan, muusok pa kasi. So ito yung aking chicken curry na niluto, yung 2 chicken breast, yun yung binoil ko. Yan. Ito na yung 2 breast ng chicken. Yan. Yan yung bones niya. Mamaya kamayin ko na nga lang, ganyan. Mas mas maganda pa na kamay yung gagamitin, i-flake. Tapos ito naman yung sabaw niya, soup niya. Huwag ito itapon kasi lalagyan ko din ng soup mamaya yung aking lulutuin. So ito maggisa na ako ng bawang sibuyas. And then to be followed yung mga ingredients na ilagay dito. Now let's start cooking. Oil is already hot. Now we can put now this garlics. This is organic garlics, as you can see. It's up to you if you will put first onions then garlics. But for me, first garlics. But sometimes I put first onions because here in Pakistan, first they put onions. So by this time, I will put first garlic. Naubusan ako ng gas, kaya dito din ako naggawa ng chapati, yung paratha. Ayun yung gas, gas cylinder. Nakahiga na. And then next to be followed by chopped onions. Yan, marami din itong sibuyas, chopped onions. Para mas masarap, so we put more garlics and onions. Next, I will put also some lentils like coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. This is cumin seeds. And this one is fenugreek seeds, and this is coriander seeds. So, para mas masarap, but this is optional. You can put also, but I have available, so I will put this one. So, it more tasty and aroma is good. Yan, dinikdik na lentils. Now we can put now this flake chicken or shredded chicken. Yan. And then black pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. And also red chilies, and this is chili powder. Optional, if you can put also, then you can use. But so I put also 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 3 slices of red chilies or green chilies. You can use also. So little bit spicy. And then it's time to put now soy sauce. This is soy sauce here in Pakistan. If you have oyster, then you can put also. But I don't have oyster. There is no oyster here in Pakistan. So I will add more soy sauce because there is no oyster sauce. So I think this is enough. This is only my version. This chicken pastel is there are so many ways to cook. There are so many version to cook. So this is only my version. Now you can add also little vinegar. And this is also optional. So I put also little bit vinegar because I have gastric. So little only I have to put. And this is optional also. So this is enough. Yan. You Kasi yung kulay ng ano ng soy sauce ay walang kulay. Kahit marami ang ilagay mo sa soy sauce ay ano, walang kulay. Iba talaga yung silver swan sa atin na ano konti lang ilagay mo ay makulay. But no problem. Even there is no color, but the taste is good. Now we can put now also this one, which I boiled this chicken breast na may ginger, bawang at saka ano ba yung nilagay ko dito. So little bit soup broth of this chicken breast. Ayan. And then I will put also butter. This one I make homemade butter. You can use also commercial butter. And this is also optional. So I have enough available. So I put 1 tablespoon of homemade butter. Ayan. So this is already cooked because I already boiled this chicken breast. Now we'll test if salt is enough. Man natin. Ayan. Sarap. Yummy, yummy. Done cooking chicken pastel. I already cook also rice for my shredded or flake chicken pastel. Ayan, pwede na ito. Let's try to wrap or balot in aluminum foil. I don't have this banana leaves, so I use aluminum foil. So this is shredded chicken pastel with salad, mint leaves or oregano, or they call it herb pudina, and cucumber and salad. So ano i-measure natin dito? Ayan. Lagay natin dito. Half cup ito, so gawin natin 2 cups para ano. Shout out pala kay Sis Agnes. Ito yung ano chicken pastel. You can use also in where you keep this one para ibenta nyo sa mga schools. Ito ay patok na patok sa Philippines, Philippines nationwide. Lalong-lalo na pag ano sa mga schools, pag recess time, ito ay patok na patok. Makabili ka ng 10 pesos, 20 pesos. So yung kay Sis Agnes, 20 pesos daw yung kanyang benta. Pwede na yan para ano, pantawid gutom, para hindi magutoman yung mga estudyante. Ito ay patok na patok sa Pilipinas, sorry. So, pwede din ilagay ito sa ano sa cups. Meron na siguro 'yon ano with spoon. So, ito 'yung balot natin. So, ayan, ibalot na natin, i-measure na natin itong kanin. Ayan, dapat ano, siksik itong kanin. Try ko lang dito, pwede din ilagay sa plato. Maganda ito na baunin sa school. Kaya yung mga mother, shout out sa mga mother dyan sa Pilipinas. Ito yung magandang baon sa inyong mga anak para hindi sila bibili ng mga junk foods. This is much healthy than junk foods. Ayan, oh. So, ayan. Oh, ayan. Siguro ito pag bininta mo, 20 pesos ito. Ayan, oh. Sa Pilipinas. Mas maganda sana yung ano, yung dahon ng saging. So, marami na itong 1 cup, oh. Kaya marami na ito pag ano, gutom na gutom ka. So, pwede na ito pantawid gutom. And then, lagyan natin ng ano, ito yung shredded chicken pastel. Lagyan na natin ng 2 spoon. Ayan, oh. 2 breast lang ito, pero marami, oh. Yan. Oh. O, di ba? Tapos, pwede nyo rin lagyan ng ano, for free. Di ba? Dalawang slice na ano na cucumber, then kamatis. O, ayos na ang ano lunch. O, tapos ano, pudina, tawag nila dito. O, diba? Balutin na yan. Paano ba magbalot? Naalala ko nung ano, elementary kami, yung pambalot namin sa baon namin, na ano, ay yung dahon ng saging. Kaya naalala ko, kung ano yung ano, may ulam, yung itlog, tapos kanin, o kaya bulad. Yan. O. O. Yan. O, naalala ko pala nung umuwi ako last 2019, ito ay ano, patok na patok ito sa ano sa Pilipinas. Kaya doon ko una nakatikim ng ano chicken pastel. Hindi ko naman alam ito noon nung umuwi ako 2019. Oh. Tapos dito pwede na natin kainin dito, kumain yan. Oh. Tikman ko nga. Dapat magkamay nito. So, ayan, kain tayo ng ano ng chicken pastel. Ayan. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sarap. Isang subo na pipino. Kamatis. Pudina. Maganda ito sa ano sa may gastric. Ang lasa nito ay ano, parang ano adobo. Itong shredded chicken pastel.